Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app, Aloha private browser VPN with good settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Aloha app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. We search about Aloha private browser VPN, and if you find updates here, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.